Hi guys and welcome back to Jyoti Ji I Love. Now few days ago I had done one haul. Not few days ago, like it's been a while now. So if you have not seen that haul, that was affordable makeup haul and you guys love that so much. And if you have not seen that video, it's here. Just click on this I link. So after that I have again shopped few stuffs from Ray and Sao and one or two stuffs from here and there. So I thought I should share that with you all. So now if I am purchasing something, then that will be definitely in the affordable range because I don't invest that much on makeup if you know me. So before that I want to tell you that there's a giveaway running on and I had told you all that I haven't picked anything for the kids because my giveaway always and always have gifts for kids. छोटा हो बड़ा हो कुछ भी हो but gifts बच्चों के लिए जरूर होगा because it's on behalf from Gio. So yes, I have got these cute wax crayons for 4 of them. I also have these cute extensible pencils, I think they are called so, and these cute little hairbands also. So I'll see what to give with what. If not participate in the giveaway, please do. Link will again be here. Now without any further ado, let's start with our makeup haul. So first of all I want to show you these cute pink brushes which I recently got. I'm also thinking of doing a review for these. As you can see, there are like 10 brushes, 5 for face, 5 for eyes. The package says that it's of 15.99, that is 1599 rupees. But I got these 10 brushes for just like 500 rupees. Yes, it's for 500 rupees and I just want to tell you that I love them. I love them. I have again kept them. I've used them and then again kept. दायित्व लेके मैंने वापस से इनको इसके पैकेज में डाला है. Next I have purchased this gorgeous but little odd colors like orange and greenish. This is in the sparkly side if you can see. So this one is on the sparkly side as you can see. These are not mine. I have already started planning for my next giveaway. So yes, I have kept them for you all. Next is this Lakme Radiance Compact and we all know about this, but trust me, I had never used this. I was using Maybelline from I don't know how many years, but just for a change, it was an offer. I got this just for like 110 rupees. So I thought let's try this. Next I went to a place called Ray and Sao. Please don't kill me. I'm sorry, but love is love और nothing is sponsored. मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा उस दुकान से. It's just that मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, so I have picked stuffs from there. First thing I would like to show you is this Miss Claire Shimmer Bricks which I picked from Ray and Sao, and I have recently done a review for this. If you have not checked the review, then please click on this I link. This is the cheapest shimmer brick here in India. I'm not going to swatch anything from here because I have already done the full review, so please go and watch that if you haven't. This is my recent love. So yes, I got this for like 330 rupees. Its original price is 350 rupees, but as I had purchased a lot of stuff from there and I had killed someone there, and then I got a discount of 20 rupees here. So yes. Then you might know my love for Maybelline also. I think I love so many things, है ना? But yes, I got 2 more shades from this Maybelline No Transfer lipstick, and if you have not seen this review also, everything will be in the description box or just click the I link. You will find each and every videos. And so till now, for me at least, this is Maybelline No Transfer Proof lipstick is the best and cheapest matte lipstick I have ever come across. These two Maybelline No Transfer is not my recent purchase. ये मेरा थोड़ा टाइम हो चुका है, but I had not shared with you also. I thought कि इस हॉल में मैं आपसे शेयर कर लूँ. So आपको अगर देखना है कि which shades I have purchased and how the swatches look, then here it is.
These are the two shades which I purchased. One is 895 and the other is 829. Payal also loved this 829. She also purchased the same shade. I'll just show you how it looks. I'll also swatch this for you. I have worn this many times. This is such a gorgeous shade. And the next one is 895. This is fuchsia pink type. I'll just swatch this and show this to you.
Then I had purchased a normal nail polish remover. This is from Cameo, I think so, and this is just a local brand and it was for 40 rupees. Next I got this eyeshadow. It's from Miss Claire. This is baked eyeshadow and it's in the shade 22. So here how it looks.
This is the packaging and the lid is also very tight. It's not clumsy kind of lid and it's in the shade 22 as I said. This is the color. Just swatch this for you. can see, this is very pigmented. It's not that shimmery in real life, but because of my mobile's flash, you know, it's looking too much shimmery. And price of this eyeshadow is just 150 rupees.
Then next I purchased this Blue Heaven Walk Free lipstick. It's in the shade 10, that is 10. And it looks somewhat like this. This is a normal lipstick, but this is my second bullet, I should tell you, because I simply love this color.
This is Walk Free lipstick from Blue Heaven. Shade is 1010. It's normal brownish nudish color. This is not matte, but this is I think this is appropriate for daily use, daily wear.
Next I got these two Miss Claire eyeliner, and they say that it's Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner. I am also planning to do a review for this for you all, and it's for like 180 rupees each.
In the shade blue, and the other one is in the shade red.
I have purchased this cute little containers of this is skin nourishing cream. I already had a big one, if you can see. I have purchased these for you all again, और ये मेरा इसी giveaway में जाएगा. I'll just see कि किसके साथ match up करके क्या देना है. But जो मेरे पास था, it was only of almond, but this time they have come out with honey and almond. I love this cream, and some of you will be like, what? Skin cream दे रही है या? But it's so cute. Just see at the container and everything, और cream भी काफी अच्छा है. And I must tell you that it says this nourishing skin cream is with V-germ oil and natural sunscreen. So that's why मुझे लगा कि मैं ये use कर रही हूँ तो आप लोग को भी try करना ही पड़ेगा. So that's why I'm giving this also. Then oh my god, this is like, I totally love this thing. You might be like, what is this cute little stuff? But I want to show you. And it's again not for me, but it's for one of you. It's looking little odd, but I'll just you know, like zoom it for you and then show you what it is.
So it looks like this. I think I should remove this packet. It's brand new, but I think I should just remove this. It says it's from Paul Frank, and it looks somewhat like this. It also has a mirror, and the shades are so gorgeous.
So that was all for my today's haul. I hope this was useful to you, and if it was, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and we will meet you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.